بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. الحمد لله والصلاة والسلام على رسول الله. My dear student, greeting to you all. Today, inshallah, we will carry on with our English language lessons for the second year. My name is teacher Inas Al-Hdathi. So as you can see, today we will carry on with our unit. The name of the unit is called Neighbors and Friends. This will be lesson number 3, and because it's a very important lesson and it has so many information, we decided to have it into 2 parts. But today we will have the first part. It's a very important part. I highly recommend to have your books, notebooks and some pencils in case you need to take some notes. So let's start. Bismillah. Let's start by revising what we have learned in the previous session. In the previous session, my dear student, we learned how to write an informal letter to a friend. How to write a letter by having my address, the date, greeting, my body or the letter, and don't forget to sign it with your name. This is how to write. This is how to write a letter. In this lesson, my dear student, we will start by naming different kind of colors. We'll be able to name different kind of colors. Actually, it's a very funny lesson. We will enjoy it together. We will be able to describe people's clothes, their outfits, what are they wearing. And of course, as usual, we'll be doing different kind of exercises. I promise you that you will have fun in this lesson. This is the cover of your book, of your unit, unit number 3, Neighbors and Friends. Okay? What's the difference, or what do we mean by neighbors? As you can see here I have one neighbor is saying hi, or he is greeting his neighbor. They are living in the same neighborhood. Neighbors and friends. Neighbors and friends. Let's start by having WH questions. What do I mean by WH questions, my dear student? WH questions is special kind of questions that requires different kind of information. So we don't go and answer by saying yes or no. Actually, we are giving an answer, what we are looking for. Here I have most of the WH questions that we are using in every day. For example, we might use who, what, when, which, where, how, and why. It depends on the information I'm seeking or I'm looking for. Okay, now let's talk about them one at a time. Okay, let's start with the first one. Here, if we need to know about the person's name, we will go for who. Who is her person. But if I'm talking about a time, a date, we will be using when. How is used to know about something or the way something is happening. Okay? For what is used to ask about thing or an action. Okay? Where is mostly used to ask about a place or other location. Where do you live? Where are you from? Where is your book? And the last one here I have is why. Was is used to ask about a reason. Now let's give examples about each and every one. Let's start with why. We just said that why is used for a reason. So let's read the question that we have. Why are you late? Why are you late? So here I need the information. I need to know the reason. Why are you late? Because I missed my bus. Why are you late? Because I missed my bus. I gave a reason here. Here I have where. We just said that where is used to ask about a place or a location. Where is your book? It is in the bag. So we are looking for the book. It is in the bag. Let's go for the next one. What? What is used to ask about things or action? What is on the table? So most probably I'm asking about thing. What is on the table? There is a pencil. What's on the table? There is a pencil. Let's go for the next one. When? When is used for a time. When is the party? On Friday at 2 o'clock. Let's go for the next one. Who? Who is used to ask about a person. Who is that boy? My brother Ali. Who is that boy? My brother Ali. So here we give a person's name. Now, let's go ahead and complete these exercises together. Let's start with the first one. Is she? She is my sister. So I'm asking about a person by using who. Very good. Who is she? She is my sister. Next one. Is that? It's a mouse. A thing. What is that? It's a mouse. Very good. Next one. Because he has got a new car. So here we give a reason. Very good. So most probably we'll be using the question why. Why is he happy? Because he has got a new car. We gave a reason. Next one. Yesterday. So here I have a time, right? So to ask about a time, when did he arrive? When did he arrive? Yesterday. Very good, my dear student. Excellent. How about this one? He is at the cinema. We gave a place here. In the answer, we gave a place. So the question, where is he? He is at the cinema. Where is he? He is at the cinema. Next one, it's a present. It's a present. So the question, what is that? Very good. What is that? It's a present. Next one, because he is ill. So here we gave a reason. Because he is ill, why is he sad? Why is he sad? Next one, next week. What do you think? We gave a time here. And the question word will be when. Very good. When is the exam? Next week. Very good. When is the exam? Next week. Now, I need you to take a look at this picture. What's the first thing that comes to your mind? That we will talk about what? What do you think? We have this in the previous year. Here I have splashes of colors. Very good. So I have colors, different kind of colors, because colors is very important in our lesson. Okay? So we will talk about colors. Now, I need you to look at these different kind of colors and tell me, how many colors can you name on your own? How many colors can you name out of these things? Take your time, try to name few, try to name some of the colors. I'll be revealing the name. So, how many colors did you try to name? How many colors did you name so far? Now, here are the names of the colors. Double check if you named them or if you got them correctly. Let's start with the black, brown, red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple, gray, and white. So here I have different kind of colors. Okay, so now we revise some of the colors that we already know from the previous year. We talked about colors. Now, since we are going to name or describe people's clothes, right? We'll be using the colors as well. Now, I'll be asking a question. Who do you think we're talking to? Who is the person we are referring to? Okay, so today we'll be focusing on the question who. Who are we talking to about? Who are we talking about and what is he or she wearing? So let's start. Let's start by introducing clothes, different kind of clothes or different kind of outfits. For example, my dear student, here are different kind of outfits that most of us wear on a daily basis. For example, I have boots, suit, jeans, I have shirt, gloves, shoes, shorts. Also, we might have a cap, a belt, a skirt, socks, shorts, sunglasses, hair clip, different kind of clothes. So, for example, these are different kind of clothes, and here are some more. So, to mix these things, clothes, with the colors, we'll be able to describe what are they wearing. For example, here I have a boy and I have a girl. They are wearing different kind of outfits, right? let's name some of the things that the boy is wearing. For example, he's wearing a cap, a shirt, a watch, shoes, shorts, belt. And for the girl, she's wearing different things. She's wearing glasses, a t-shirt, a bracelet, a bag, a skirt, socks, shoes, right? So they are wearing different clothes. So we revise, or we introduce different kind of clothes, and we revise colors. Now, look at this picture and try to help me to complete the missing spaces. What is the boy wearing? What is he wearing? He's wearing what? Let's try to complete it. This is Billy. He is wearing a white what? What do you think? He's wearing a white. He's wearing a white shirt. Very good. He is wearing a white shirt. Excellent. A red. What do you think? Red what? Red trousers. Very good. Red trousers. And black what? What do you think? Black shoes. Very good, my dear student. Let's read one more time. This is Billy. He is wearing a white shirt, red trousers, and black shoes. White shirt, red trousers, and black shoes. Okay, now how about this boy? What is he wearing? I am wearing a yellow. So what do you think? Yellow what? Is he wearing a yellow cap, a yellow shoes, a yellow belt? No, he's wearing a yellow shirt. Very good. He's wearing a yellow shirt and blue. What do you think? Blue what? Blue trousers. Very good. Blue trousers. Let's complete it one more time. I am wearing a yellow shirt and blue trousers. Very good. Now we start with simple things. Now, let me have this exercise with you. Now, I will describe one of the pictures above, and you will tell me, are we referring to the picture on your left or to the picture on your right? Okay, so help me out. Try to decide which picture I'm talking about. The boy I'm talking about is wearing a yellow shirt. So both of them is wearing yellow, right? So the boy is wearing a yellow shirt. He is wearing a blue shorts, very good, and white shoes. So which boy do you think I'm talking about? Let me read one more time. He is wearing a yellow shirt, a blue shorts, and white shoes. So I am talking about boy number one. Very good. I'm talking about boy number one. Now let's go to the girls. I will describe one of the girls now, okay? Focus. Help me out. Am I describing the girl on the left or the girl on your right? The girl I'm talking about is wearing a red t-shirt. Okay, both of them is wearing red. She is also wearing a black trousers. Black trousers. Okay, actually both of them is wearing black trousers. The girl I'm talking about is wearing red shoes. Both of them are wearing red shoes. Now, the girl I'm talking about is wearing a red cap. A red cap. Very good. I'm talking about the girl on your right. She is wearing a red cap. Excellent, my dear student. Now, let me give you another exercise that I know for sure that you will enjoy. Now, here, as you can see, I have 5 characters and I have 5 descriptions, right? Now, we try to start with easy one. This is also easy and I know you can do it. Here, let's try to match. What is he or she wearing? Read and then write the correct number in the circle. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have boys and girls and I have 5 descriptions, okay? Let's try to find the description of picture number 1, okay? Let's talk about, for picture number 1, she's wearing a green shirt, pink trousers, and blue shoes. Actually, this will fit the first description. The first description is, let's read the first one. He is wearing a brown and yellow cap, a green t-shirt, brown trousers, and gray shoes. Okay, let's look for the boy who is wearing a brown and yellow cap and green t-shirt, brown trousers, and gray shoes. Here we are talking about picture number 5. Very good, picture number 5. How about the next one? He is wearing a blue scarf, a yellow coat, blue jeans, and red trainers. Now, which picture do you think I'm talking about? Exactly, I'm talking about picture number 2, boy number 2. Excellent. Now, let's go to the third description. She is wearing a blue scarf, a pink coat, a yellow sweater, black trousers, and brown boots. So what do you think? Is it picture number 1 or picture number 4? Very good. We are talking about number 4. Excellent. Let's go to the next one. He is wearing an orange and green t-shirt, brown trousers, and blue and yellow trainers. Definitely we are talking about picture number 3. Very good. And for the last one, she's wearing a green t-shirt, pink trousers, and blue shoes. Here we are describing the girl in picture number 1. Very good, my dear student. Now, help me out with this one. I have a picture of a girl. Is she wearing this or she's not wearing this? Number 1, she isn't wearing a hat. What do you think? Is or isn't? Now look for the picture. She is definitely wearing a hat. She is wearing a hat. Number 2, she isn't wearing a jacket. What do you think? Is she wearing a jacket? Actually, she is not. She's wearing a dress. She isn't wearing a jacket. Very good. She isn't wearing a jacket. Excellent, excellent. So she is wearing a hat. She isn't wearing a jacket. Very good. Now, I need you to have your books opened at page number 4, my dear student, 40, sorry, page number 40. In this lesson, we'll be able to have a guessing game. We will guess which boy or girl we're talking about. We tried this earlier with different kind of exercises, okay? Here I have the outfits and I have the colors. Let's start with our upper part. Read and practice. Play the game with your friends. So you can play this one with your teacher or with a member of a family or with your friend. Try to play this guessing game. How it's done, let me show you. He is a boy. So since we're talking about a boy, it's either number 1, number 2, or number 3, right? I have the same boy, but the clothes and the colors, what they're holding is different. So it depends on the description. You will guess which boy we are looking for. So he's a boy. What color is his t-shirt? It's blue. What color is his ball? It's green. So what do you think? Which description fits? Are we talking about picture number 1, 2, or 3? Blue t-shirt, green ball. Very good. We are talking about boy number 2, and the answer is correct. Now, for number 4, 5, and 6, I have different girls wearing different things, holding different different colors. Different kind of colors. So let's start with the girl that I'm having in my mind. The girl I'm talking about is wearing black. She's wearing black. And she is holding a gray, white cat. So which girl do you think I'm talking about? She's wearing black, she's holding a white and gray cat. I'm talking about girl number 4. Very good. I'm talking about girl number 4. Now, you can go ahead and do the same with any family members. And below, I have some colors. As you can see, I have red, I have green, blue, white, and pink. You can go ahead and play this guessing game with any family member. Challenge them. Now, this is an exercise that I will have for you as a homework. Try to complete this with the correct words, okay? We'll be doing it at the beginning of the next lesson. In this lesson, let's try to revise what we have learned, my dear student. We revise colors, different kind of colors. And at the same time, we were able to link it with the clothes. What kind of clothes we're wearing? I'm wearing a black shirt. He is wearing a blue trousers. She is wearing a pink dress, and so on. So that was my lesson, my dear student. Until I see you next time, stay safe. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.